Good afternoon, world. This is Ariel Scholes, and she is going to show us how to do Jacob's Ladder
What's his it?
on the yarn strip. Here she comes.
Get it, girl.
There you go.
Get it, you
All right,
get
make
it.
sure you explain your steps.
This is the beginning. Have your yarn on your pinky and your thumb. Get it ready.
Pinky and thumb. Show us pinky and thumb.
Get serious.
This is pinky and
It's right
thumb.
here?
Okay? Right here?
It's right
All
here.
right.
Be serious.
All right.
Okay.
Let it be.
First finger. I don't know what you call the fingers.
Pointers.
Do your
Pointers.
pointers. Do your pointers. It's pretty. It's beautiful. Drop it. Pick it up. Pick it up.
Drop it.
Drop it here. Pick it up. Drop it here. Pick it up. Cross them over. Cross them over.
Cross them over.
Cross them over a little bit more. Cross them over a little bit more. Stick your fingers in the little triangle holes. Yeah.
Yeah.
So
Hold
Jacob's
on. This is Jacob's Ladder.
Climb it.
Okay.
Oh, yeah,
Wow.
Climb
This
it,
is
climb it.
Jacob's
Heck
Ladder.
yeah. Heck yeah.
Finish it, finish it, finish it.
Finish it.
Okay, so we set it down.
We set it down.
We take it. We finish it.
Boom.
Boom. Boom.
Boom.
Pounds with explosions.
Found the explosions.
Boom.
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 No más, no más, no más.
No más, no más, no más.
No más.
Finito.
Hope you enjoyed.
Finito.
That's all for now, folks.
Who are you going to send the shit to?
Bye-bye.
Mañana más.
I haven't